All right, guys, so we just showed up to the condo association. We got the truck filled up. We barely made it to the gas station. It was like literally like pop, right into the gas station. So luckily, truck's all filled up. We got the gas cans all filled up as well for the mower. So we're getting those all gassed up, as you guys can see right behind me. And so it's a really nice day at the condo. So I'm hoping to get some good footage today just with all the sun and how warm it is. Feels good to really be back on the mowers and to be back doing some lawn care. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the riding shotgun so far. Currently, right now, we are in the shop. That day that we did the riding shotgun, because that was a few days ago, I did record and did a walk around at the shop of what it currently looks like. But over the past couple of days, I've been cleaning it up and getting it looking nicer. So I thought I would show you guys what it currently looks now. I'll show you guys right now what it looked like that day. But let me go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys what we've gotten done. All right, guys, so first we'll start on this side. As you guys can tell in the previous video, this whole entire side was completely filled with all of our spare wood that we had from the house. So now this is completely cleared up, and now we have it now stacked nicely in the back in order. So that way if I need to grab a certain piece, then we can just do it. I was holding a lot of that scrap wood for just in case I need it for the house somewhere. But now that we're coming to an end with the house and also the shop, I currently don't need that stuff. So went ahead and filled up the whole entire bed of the Chevy with all the spare wood, got rid of that. So now we have this wall back. This is actually my recording wall where I do all my recording stuff for videos and teasers and stuff like that. So it's nice to finally have my shop back now that we don't have all the stuff in here for the house that we were holding on to, it like the cabinets, the appliances, doors, everything like that. So we'll start right here. As right now, like I said, the shop is still a work in progress. This is not what it's going to be looking like. This is probably going to change so much. But we'll start over here. We'll move over here. Currently right now, we got these racks at Costco, 150 bucks. These are 2 racks, but we can make 3. And so this is holding all of our tools and stuff that we currently use for the lawn care season. That way we have our blade sharpener and all of our spare parts. We have our mowers up here in front. This currently right now, I'm not going to tell you guys what this is, but this is going to be a surprise. So keep a lookout for a teaser push mower. And that's all I'm going to tell you. Of course, we got the Walker and Hustler. I decided to keep the Hustler for my property as well as my grandparents, because I will be taking over their property since they are no longer able to maintain it themselves. And this is the perfect mower to get it done with. So we are going to be keeping this for right now. We got all of our other tools over here, ladders, all of our power tools. I got my really nice stereo in the back. And basically, this is it, guys. So like I said, this is constantly going to be changing. I will be doing more updated videos once, hopefully one day it's completely done. I am making a nice big space. There is going to be a new toy going here. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, but leave a comment down below what you think it is. I will be getting it next week, and I'm really excited about that. But anyways, guys, this is it. This is the shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. I'll continue to keep pumping out more and more videos. Currently, right now, I don't have internet in my house. It's getting hooked up this Friday. So when I upload a video, I actually have to take my computer over to my mom's house in order to use their internet to upload it. So that's why things haven't been moving as fast since I've been back on YouTube. But anyways, guys, be sure to keep a lookout for the teaser for this trailer or for this mower. Hopefully it should be out within the next couple of days, depending on how much time I want to put into it. But I'm pretty excited to use this, pretty excited to get some videos on this guy, as well as plenty of other stuff. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on Ambro Landscaping.